Hi everyone! In this mukbang, I'll be having 12 of the new limited time KFC Beyond Fried Chicken Nugs. Let's eat! Okay, nug number 1. Let's see how it tastes. Very crispy. We had to wait for like 10-15 minutes for them to fry these. And so, very crispy and greasy, as expected. I just realized Jeannie's nose was tucked in. Oops. That's good. I like the crispiness of the nug itself. The inside is very packed. Like the nugs are very packed. Usually at fast food places, you had, McDonald's or Burger King nugs. They're thin and then they're like not as dense or heavy. They're cheap. Well, this is very thick, but it's not bad at all. Number 2. These are hot, as in like temperature wise. After a few bites, you get used to the thickness of the nug. Very heavy. Very square. Like a tofu. It's like a pressed down tofu. It's hot. I wish I had a plate. It's not light and soft as tofu at all. Not at all. These nugs are really hot. No wonder they don't call them nugs, because they're bigger than normal nugs. Well, I think they are. And they're heavier. Crispy. And hot. 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 I'm like burning my tongue. The side of the box says it's still finger licking good. Ooh. Can you see? How many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Halfway. It's so hot. And greasy. It's not overly greasy though. Just I don't eat fast food often, so. I forgot to ask for sauce. And these are good by itself, but you get kind of bored. Unless you're really feeling you want some fried, greasy chicken in you. And just the grease taste. Which is good, but I'm halfway there and I want some ketchup or something, buffalo sauce. Or mustard. Oh. Oh, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. These are greasy. You see the oil dripping down in the box? Oh my gosh. That's cold. Oh. Hot nugs and cold water. Oh, my teeth. Wow, why am I struggling with all this oil? It all depends on the place you get it, but you know, fast food is fast food. Whew. I need a burp. Excuse me. I will finish this. I will. I can't believe a dozen nuggets is a struggle. How do people do like 50 nuggets challenge? Or 100? No, 50. 50 is a lot. Whew. These are good. These are good. Just so heavy and thick. Oh, and full of grease. Do you see the oil? Look at the oil glistening. 3 left. Let's do this. I don't know if that was my stomach or what. I mean, that noise. I don't know if you heard that. I'm struggling. Can this be a 10 nugget challenge? This is really heavy. I had dinner already too. Oh man. Veggie soup. Delicious. Wow. I had no problem eating all the other food that I've done on this channel already. But this is heavy. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this water is saving me from all the grease. Woo! Why is this so heavy? Oh my goodness. I thought they would be like cute little nugs, but no, they're like, look how big they are. So greasy. I'm gonna run out of water. Oh. I can't fail this mukbang. I cannot. Oh, last one. Oh, no, I need a break. Oh. Oh, the nugget itself is fine. Just it's heavy and it's greasy. They probably forgot to shake out the oil. I don't know. Oh, so greasy. Flavor is good, minus the grease. Whew. Never gonna eat nugs for a while. Last one. Let's go. This is so bad. I'm sorry, Beyond Nugs. Beyond. Oh my gosh. They're good, minus the grease. They should bake these nugs instead. Just bake them. Make them not as heavy. Oh man. My lips are greasy. I'm dreading the last bite. The past 5 nugs. Last one. Whew. Last one. Oh man. Mm-mm. I can do it. I'm sorry, each bite had water in between because of the grease. Like, look at that. All that grease and oil. Oh my gosh. Not even just the greasiness, all that oil. Oh. Oh. Clean up my mess. Not doing that again. Thank you. Woo!